Murimu wa coronavirus uthite na mbere na gutherema guku bururi-ini kuria muthenya wa kiumia mutongoria wa bururi ahingire mathukuru undumwe na mihango itiganite guku bururi-ini niguo thiku icio 14 thirikari ihote kugereka ithaburia kana murimu uyu ni gutambura tamba kana ni kunyiha. Kiuria kiria Kenya ingi mareyuria hihi gitumi kia mihango itiganite gukorwo ikirugamio kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 ni kiriku kuria kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 thirikari ni gukorwo igitabania uthuthuria wa gukurana kana andu aria marekwirwo mari na coronavirus mari nayo kuona virus ino ya COVID-19 ikaraga mwiri kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 igikeyumiria.
The Ministry of Sports closed down a lot of areas, the museums, the sports grounds, the play areas, because the idea, and you must also understand, Bwana Mureithi, we are all in a learning process at the moment. We have never had to send children home and tell them, stay indoors. This is the first time it is happening. And so you can understand, if it doesn't seem to be taking effect as quickly as you'd want it to be, there's a lot of education to be done. There is a lot of urging to be done. There's a lot of understanding to create before people do what exactly what we are saying.
Oho thirikari ni kuhuthira thiku ici 14 hari kurora kana namba ya andu aria maigitwo kiehereni ni rathie na mbere na kuongerereka kana ni kunyihanyiha na guthie na mbere na guthingata mitaratara ire yagiriire hari gutigirira murimu uyu ndunatherema. Ihinda riri ria ciumia igiri kambuni iria aruti a wira mangihota kurutira wira mucii ni moritio kwaga gwikinya mawabici-ini niguo kwaga kuheka mweke ona kamwe ga kuongerereka kwa namba ya andu aria maranyitwo ni murimu uyu wa coronavirus. Wabici cia thirikari, mathukuru na kambuni itiganite ni imwe cia iria mihango yao ya o muthenya igukorwo irugamitio riria thirikari iratabania uthuthuria uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Rito Rakoni Wanjiru, Waforo.